Happy Sunday. Ito yung mga chikiting. Nag-almusal na yung mga...
Penelope!
Oh no. You say, shout out Penelope. Kanina pa siya nagpe-Penelope. Kanina ko pa kasi siya tinatanong, where do you wanna go today? You wanna go beach, playground, or mall? And what did you say, Holly? Where do you wanna go? Yeah, that's what she said. And who you wanna go with?
Happy birthday!
Oh, I love you.
Penelope!
I know, see? Penelope talaga.
Penelope best friend. Someday.
One day she'll come, okay?
What, mommy, this is to...
Yan, mag-experiment tayo today, guys, na chocolate.
Uy, pwede mo rin siya lagyan ng banana, no? Pero may yogurt na rin siya. Yeah, banana ice cream. Yum!
Banana chocolate.
I'm excited. This is gonna be yummy.
Yung nabili ko kahapon na, ito yung nirecommend nga ng ano ba to? Naturopath ni Harley. So, same brand ng iniinom kong green juice. And ito for family. So, pero yung nabili ko is chocolate, guys. So, nagkamali ako, instant na plain. But anyway, we'll experiment nga and make a chocolate ice blocks for them. And then, bumili din kasi ako, gusto itry ito ni ate, yung Coco Bella na chocolate. And lasa siyang chalky. Lasang chalky and it's good kasi siya, dairy free siya. Good for Harley. Kasi yan yung nga yung brand din ng yogurt nila. Ay, coconut yogurt. So, let's try and make some chocolate ice cream.
Yay!
Gusto ko mo yung aking maple syrup, pero matamis naman to. We'll get the chia seeds
You got
and
that!
some banana.
Banana.
So, we'll put some banana,
Yeah.
a whole banana. Put a whole banana there. Or maybe we'll break it. There you go. Get some yogurt. Ito, vanilla yung gamit ko this time. Yeah. Teaspoon of the chia.
Mommy's Fringles.
Pardon?
Fringles.
Pardon?
What's that?
That's the chia seeds.
Oh, this
It's healthy.
Fringles.
It's good for you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yay! Yum.
Yeah. And then the powder.
There you go, Mommy.
Thank you, baby.
Yum.
They can't see you, no?
There it is.
There you go. Can you see right here, guys?
Ah,
One,
oh,
2,
yeah.
3. It's gonna be chocolatey.
I
It's gonna
saw
be
this.
so chocolatey.
What's that?
But the rest, that's the chocolate powder. It's good for you. Lots of vitamins.
Fireman.
Yeah, not Spider-Man.
You guys are making vitamin I can chocolates.
Yes.
Oh, what is this chocolate?
Chocolate drink.
Oh,
Ay, that's
this
what
is
I We'll shake it first.
This is this one.
Yeah.
It's that one. Oh,
Wow.
wow, yum.
And very chocolatey.
Sugar.
Here's our chocolate smoothie / ice block.
Yeah, go up. Mommy.
Ayan, so we're about to taste it. Ay, ito na lang pala.
Oh.
I put another banana, so I put 2 bananas, guys. Medyo runny, siya, kasi marami akong nalagay na.
Mommy, where's banana go?
It's mixed, it's already there.
Already there.
Okay, let's try. Ang sarap! It's banana and chocolatey! Ay, ang sarap! Oh, you're gonna love this. Oh, this one's a good recipe, guys. Yeah, if your kids love chocolate ice cream. Sarap, chocolate and banana. Ang sarap yan.
Sarap.
Ang sarap, no?
I think this is for tita.
Nakagawa tayo.
Riker, this is for Tita. Ate Zoe. Sige, isa na yan, ha?
Aww. I think Daddy's gonna like this too.
Mommy, this white chip.
Si Harley pala yung naglagay ng mga stick dito. Ang galing. Harley put all the stick. Harley, it's ready. Harley, look. Grandma tuloy. Harley, Mommy's about to pour it. You guys, good afternoon. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog masyado, no? But I did my exercise already and now Harley's gonna try the chocolate ice cream that we made this morning.
I'll check in now, love. Is that okay with you?
Oh, wow. Mommy try it first, okay?
You're gonna be
Right,
okay,
here's it.
love,
What?
without me.
Oh my god, that's so yummy. Daddy, babe, I made the banana chocolate ice cream. Try, Daddy. Get Daddy to try, Harley. Still a bit hard. Dinner na pala kami, guys. Ayan, sweet potato with some teriyaki chicken and veggies in it. Ito pala yung gamit kong sauce is from New Life Organic Teriyaki. It's vegan friendly because it's coconut and amino. And no refined sugar and gluten and soy free.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Ayan, dito pala kami sa grocery. Nadrop na namin si Ai. Si Ai, nadrop na namin. Oh, pero ano pa rin? Stick oil pa rin siya. Sabi guys, nakapag-grocery na pala kami. Bahay namin. So, nagsaing na rin ako because we're gonna have some sausage that we got from the organic shop. And, yan, nahugasan ko na. Nahugasan ko na yung mga putas ko. So, ilagay ko na to sa fridge.
Hello. Hi, guys.
Riker is a bit sick. Well, he had temperature yesterday, pero ngayon wala naman.
Take
na.
away.
I think that's Holly. Oh yeah, that's Ate Zoe. May runny nose siya. Change of weather.
I want.
Ito tayo na.
Mommy want grapes.
Okay, you can have the grapes.
Okay.
Ito tayo
Then
na lunch.
blueberry.
And blueberry. So this one is our lunch. Beef sausage. So last time, kung natatandaan niyo, bumili ako chicken naman. Yung may leek. Ito, ano siya,
I got all.
Farms, no
Mommy.
Farms beef sausage, premium steak. Ano siya lang, pepper, salt, garlic, paprika, and onion lang.
Mommy.
Yes, Riker.
A booty.
Magtutorta sana ako kaso hindi pala ako nakabili ng gluten-free na soy sauce. So, pinahabol ko kay Ben para maluto natin yung mamaya. And beef pala yung gagamitin ko. Hindi pork. Yung tortang kapampangan, tortang giniling.
Mommy, what's that?
What is it? Oh, that's a tripod. Tita's tripod. And then kapag, unti-unti ko na palang, kapag naubusan ako, like yung toothbrush ng mga bata. So, ito na yung mga pinagbibili ko instead na usual na plastic or, so yeah, yung mga non-toxic na eco-friendly yung mga pinagbibili natin. Ito naman yung, naubusan na rin ako ng hand wash. So, ito yung nabili ko this time. Ang bango niya, Botanical Sweet Orange and Almond. From the brand Thank You.
Tita.
So yeah, it's all cruelty-free and vegan. So all plant-based.
You ready to eat rice?
And then,
Hey, look.
Tita. Thank you.
Ooh.
yeah, so pag nauubusan na ako ng mga gamit sa bahay or panlinis sa bahay, ito na yung mga pinagbibili ko, yung mga organic and all natural ingredients. So, hindi na ako bumabalik dun sa mga usual kong binibili. So, para unti-unti natin gagawin na non-toxic, non-chemical ang ating household.
Ooh, blueberry.
Yung mga pinagbibili ko. And, naubusan din ako ng laundry soap. Yung binibili ko na is yung Earthwise or Earth's Choice na laundry liquid and fabric softener. So, unti-unti ko na nga. And then, mag-switch na rin ako ng glass. Although, meron naman ako mga glass containers dito para para sa mga food storage. So, unti-unti ko na lang din i-eliminate yung mga plastic. Ayan, gumawa ako ng salad. Kain tayo. Ang sarap ng dressing na to. Green Goddess.
Ito ang tawag dyan.
Rocket. And then, ayan ang aming sausage and then rice. Ayan. Kain. Ito yung aking sausage. Guys, alas 5 na pala and nagluluto na ako ng dinner. Our dinner for tonight is tortang ginile. Kapampangan. So, this is the Kapampangan version. Pero dahil hindi na ako gumagamit ng soy sauce, I got tamari, gluten-free. So, it's kind of like soy sauce. So, but it's gluten-free. So, yun substitute ko. And calamansi, lemon. And beef yung ginamit ko, hindi pork. So, madali lang naman to kasi lang siya, patatas and carrots. So, pinrito ko lang yung carrots. And prito ko rin yung patatas. So, yeah, I love tortang giniling. Like, napaparami din yung kanin ko kapag ito yung ulam. Kain tayo, guys. Ang sarap. Maapaw yung kanin ko. Hindi, nakagad ng juice tong isa.
1, 2.
Please.
Can I have more or is that?
Yeah, you can have more.
60. 70.
Good morning, guys! Happy Tuesday! Umalis na pala si Ben, guys. Kaninang 6:30. Maaga siya umalis. Kasi maaga lang naman yung flight niya, 8 o'clock. So, he's just gonna do just did some work sa airport. And now, we're up to Holly's school. Holly's day. Happy, Mama! Yeah. Si Riker, iniwan ko na lang kasi nga hindi siya papasok today because he's a bit sick still. Meron pa siyang runny nose. So, siguro sa change of weather yun. Kasi wala lang may sakit sa amin. Siya lang. Siguro nung naglakad kami ng hapon. Naglaro sa playground. And then pinawisan siya. Tapos pinaalis niya yung jacket niya. I don't know. Change of weather. Kasi minsan mainit. Tapos biglang lalamig na sa gabi. So maaga yung cleaner namin today. At 10 a.m. So, mag-walking kami nila ate. Just put Riker in the pram. Ayan, na-drop na natin si Harley, guys. We're up to... Hintayin lang namin yung cleaners and we'll go for a walk. Hinamot tayo ng ating vitamins. Yes, baby. Pardon? Ma. Tapos na pala kami ng coffee, guys. So, dito kami sa bagong cafe. Dito sa Semaphore. Dito kami nag-walking. Shell. And Riker. Riker is still not 100%.
Kami naga. Pikachu sleeping. Pikachu. Oh my god, this one's cute.
See if they put sugar already.
Cute face. Ando baka kukuha ka?
Sabi ko to sugar.
Take mama. The Pokemon card.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, that's cute.
Ang sarap talaga ng almond milk kapag sa cafe.
I wanna try.
Kasi organic kasi almond.
Oh,
Ayan,
si
ang
ano
ganda.
pala si Bunny. Shota ni Kendall.
Oh.
Calvin
Shota niya pa rin
Klein. Yeah, parang. Dating still dating.
Ano ko bumalik siya kay Booker? David Booker. Sarap, no?
But you know like coffee? I can taste, I like it, but I can't finish the whole cup myself. Yeah, Calvin Klein siya. Calvin Klein?
Ayan, nag-order ako. Meron silang dairy and gluten-free na burger. And then banana bread. And then si ate, kids burger.
Ang laki ng ano kids eh.
Ang laki ng kids, di ba? Tinan mo yung akin, hindi yan kids. Ang laki-laki. Ayan, yung fish finger ng kids. So, ang laki din. Kain tayo! Kami guys, and ayan, dumating na yung mga supplements ni Harvey. So, start natin siya tomorrow. Tatlo to eh. Yeah. So, this one is her probiotic. Bion Daily Kids. And meron siyang powder for magnesium. So, yan. Imimix ko lang sa ano niya. Drink niya. And nanood kami ng Married at First Sight. Tulog pa rin si Riker. And her fish oil.
When you say things,
Ba't
chili
ganito yung
experts, chili
kulay?
blue,
O yung bottle lang to. Anong flavor nito?
united from, right?
Strawberry.
But you've got this rap sheet of all the things in
So,
the
she'll start that one tomorrow. Ano ba tomorrow? Wednesday? Wednesday tomorrow. Good morning! Happy Wednesday! Ay, Thursday na pala. Hindi pala ako nag-vlog kahapon. Ayan, gawa ako ng waffles nila. Chocolate yan kasi nilagay ko yung protein powder nila. So, si Harley, hindi niya naubos yung kanya. I'll put a maple syrup, baby. Kakabangon lang ni Riker. Waffles and egg. Ayan, walking na pala kami guys. Anong oras na? 9:14. Hindi ako nag-hot today kasi wash ko na yung hair ko naman na eh. Malagkit na.
Nataka kasi para ma-protect ang aking face.
Face.
Oh, would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over.
Breakfast tayo guys. And of course my green juice. Harap! Good afternoon guys. It's already alay, makita 4:38 na. Anyway, mag-prep na ako for dinner. So me and Zoe having lamb. And the kids having chicken. Tayo guys.
What anime basketball?
He wants to watch an anime basketball. So yung slam dunk. Ay, ikaw na talaga.
that you miss